Let's show you the 3 best types of barbecue sauce today. For the first sauce, combine onion, garlic, tomato paste, water, parsley, salt, pepper and you're done. This is the main red sauce. We make the sauce. For it we combine parsley, coriander, mayonnaise, sour cream, lemon juice, garlic, salt, pepper and it's done. This sauce is my favorite. For the third sauce, fry the tomato, bell pepper on the grill, peel, combine coriander, garlic, salt, pepper, whisk and you can also make it spicy, it's very tasty. Well, that's all, it remains to fry the kebabs. These sauces, by the way, are served with any meat, so be sure to keep it. The May holidays are ahead and bon appetit to everyone. Pickled onion for a shish kebab, or you can not for a shish kebab, for herring, chicken or any dish to your taste. We cut the onion into rings. We took the red one because it tastes better and more beautiful. Add a little parsley. Top with a little more onion, 1 tablespoon of sugar and half a tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of 9% vinegar and cold water, close and mix well. By the time you get to the kebabs, the onions are already pickled. Enjoy your meal. Is it already warm and does it mean that there will be a barbecue? And a pickled onion for the kebab. I have 3 views for you. We take 2 ordinary onions and 1 red one. Cut into rings. Separately, finely chop the parsley and dill. You will need 3 deep plates. We put 1 sliced onion into plates. Add smoked paprika, parsley, sugar and vinegar to the first one. We knead it well with our hand. Add parsley, sugar, salt and vinegar to the red onion. And add dill, dried basil, salt and vinegar to the third onion. And we also knead with our hand. Let it marinate for 30 minutes and it's done. Oh, how delicious. If you take garlic, tomato paste, salt, sugar, black pepper, add a bunch of dill, sunflower oil and water, and then beat in a blender for 30 seconds, then you will get an excellent sauce for meat or barbecue. If you marinate eggplants at least once in this way, you will always do it. Salt the eggplants, set aside, fry the vegetables for no more than 2 minutes. Then squeeze the eggplants from the liquid and fry them in a small amount of vegetable oil on each side for 1 minute. They should not reach full readiness. Next, combine all the vegetables in one bowl, add parsley, garlic, pour all this marinade and leave to marinate for at least 6 hours. It is better to shake it periodically. It's the perfect snack for just about everything. Enjoy your meal.